Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about the coordinate plane, and we're going to go ahead and label the quadrants. So the way that we like to label the quadrants is using a Roman numeral. So it's going to be 1, it's going to be 2, it's going to be 3, and we're going to have 4. Alright, so the way some people remember it, they start like a C. Alright, this starts 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you say quadrant, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now in the 1 quadrant, everything is going to be positive, positive. All right, in the 2 quadrant, you're going to have a negative, positive. In the 3 quadrant, you're going to have both negatives. And in the 4th quadrant, you're going to have a positive and a negative. All right. So here in the middle of our quadrant plane, this is the origin. All right. The origin is going to be 0, 0. All right, so this is the middle. Then we have these 2 lines. This is going to be our x-axis, and this is going to be our y-axis. Right. Now all these numbers right here, they positive, negative, they're positive, those are depending on the numbers. So if this is positive, it goes to the right. This is negative, it goes to the left. Right, and this is always first. Now over here, if it's positive, it goes up. If it is negative, it goes down. Right, this is always second. Right, so when you're doing your points, this goes first, and then this is second. So on this side, here, we're not going to do this, just scratch this out. Alright, the question is going to be, what quadrant are the points in? Alright, so remember, you can do a little C motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my quadrants. All right. So let's look for the A. The A is over here in quadrant 2. So I'm going to put quadrant 2 where it says A. Okay, now if you see something like this, look at this L. The L is on the axis. This is not on the quadrant. It's not on the 3 or 4. All right, my L is going to be on the Y axis, this line. So for L, let's put y-axis. Okay. Now the G is positive, positive. All right, see? Positive, positive. This is going to be quadrant 1. Oh, shoot. Shoot. There you go, quadrant 1. All right, and we're going to do that for the rest of the points. Now on the back, you're going to label the points, and you're going to put the letter next to it. So we have like 5, 10. So remember, this goes first. It's positive, goes to the right. This goes up, to the right and up. So 0, you have to say 0 in the middle. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, this, put the dot, and this is going to be the letter J, like that. Okay, and you're doing that for both of these. On this one, you're just going to put the quadrant. All right, so for the H, you have 0, 1. So this is the number 2, 2, comma, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, if you want, you can write the points here. Some people don't like that. They want to go like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All right, if you want to write it here, it's probably be a little bit better. Maybe 2, 5. Okay. And same thing on this side. Same thing. You can write down the ABC right here, or wherever it is. And then last, we have the quadrant. Okay. So which quadrant is it on? Now remember, if you have a negative, you see this? Negative number, negative number. Let's go back over here in your notes. Which one is the negative, negative? This is a negative, negative. It's quadrant 3. So if I see this, this is quadrant